Here's what's really going on with this crypto market and financial market collapse. This is a visual representation. First, the Fed raises rates, then crypto falls, then Alameda falls, then FTX, then Silvergate, and then Silicon Valley Bank, an absolutely massive bank. What's the next big domino to fall? Looks like First Republic Bank. Long queue forming as bank run starts at a First Republic Bank branch in LA, California. That is a massive bank. So let's see what the government is doing about this. Feds say there will be no bailouts for SVB today, despite fears of market meltdown as Biden holds crisis talks, right? So SVB may be the Lehman Brothers, which means they won't get bailed out, but other banks will, right? This is what happens. U.S. weighs new fund to backstop deposits if more banks fail. This is the money printer being turned on, right? The government coming in, pumping money into the system. We all know how that turns out. Just like the pandemic, just like the global financial crisis, they pump liquidity and assets go up. But in the meantime, the USDC stablecoin has still not repegged to $1. It's 96 cents. This is a long time to be depegged. It's a $40 billion asset. Now, some assets are actually benefiting from all this massively. Cardano's DGET gains traction and overtakes USDT Tether amid stablecoin drama. So who's going to benefit if DGET, the over-collateralized stablecoin, actually becomes big? Well, Coti is the asset that launched DGET, right? So that's definitely one to stay on top of. COTI, Coti. Curve Finance also benefiting. Curve Finance trading volume reaches $7 billion historic high after USDC depeg. Curve Finance offers trading in stablecoins. Lots of people are diving in, trying to profit from USDC, buying it, getting a little bit of profit once it goes from 96 cents to $1, right? Buying a lot of it, thinking it's secure because Circle assures market after stablecoin USDC breaks dollar peg. They're saying they have the money to repeg it. We'll see. Very risky in this environment, but let's stay on top of the long-term fundamentals, some meme assets. Shib burns will depend on the transactions in the network. To keep track, we will have a running chart for burnt Shib on the burn portal. This is part of the beta testing for Shibarium Network. Shibarium Network just launched, so obviously we want a lot of transactions. If that happens, Shiba Inu will go hyper deflationary. Will be very interesting to see how all that plays out. Here's a glimpse at the metaverse that they just launched. Lots of money went into this. Here is a picture of the metaverse. Here are more pictures. Obviously very high quality, going to run on top of Shibarium.